looking good. What's up, everybody? We've been having a lot of fun with Corvettes over the last, week or so. Jose brought out his beautiful 87 Vette with the sniper. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. So stay with us. We're actually gonna hop in with him and check it out. I mean, I remember seeing this Vette before it had the paint, the Foose wheels and everything, and it is sounding really good. So yeah, let's see what this is all about. This is neat. Wow, man. All right. Yeah, let me get my belt on, right? Because this is going to be a fast one, I bet. So that's, okay, here we go.
You see the program?
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Okay, the sniper is...
EFI.
Right.
Yeah, EFI sniper.
Okay, this is an 87 Vette.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, buddy?
All right, everybody. Whoa, oh my goodness gracious. This is cool, everybody. Wow. A lot of power, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's a hoss, isn't it?
I gotta put
Uh-huh.
another pump to be able to make vacuum.
Yeah.
Because I got a big cam in it.
Right.
It's not making vacuum. I got my brakes pedal hard.
Uh-huh.
So I gotta put a vacuum with a reservoir bottle to hold more vacuum.
Okay, for more vacuum.
For more vacuum, yeah.
Okay. Now, how long have you had this one for?
I had this car. I've been working on it for the last 3 years.
Okay. Sounds really good. Yeah, now we can't get too crazy with it because we're on Rivers Avenue in North Charleston, but I'm sure this will get up and take off something serious. Yeah. Now,
whole engine rebuild.
okay.
I got the hair's been redone. I got a big cam in it. I got a 6-quart oil pans, 6-quart, not 5-quart.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you put a lot of money in just to the engine of the vehicle.
Yeah.
Now, paint and all, you just had this done not too long ago.
About a month ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a particular name for the color on it?
Malibu Blue.
Malibu Blue. Yeah. And here we go. Sounds sweet. We'll check the outside of it out here shortly. And do you have any other sports cars at the house?
No.
This is yours right here. Yeah.
I'm getting the black carpet and black seats put in.
Okay, so you still got some work to do to it, Outside looks phenomenal, and it sounds great.
I had to put that scoop on it because when I put the new intake, it was higher than the temp port they had on it. So yeah.
Yeah, that's the real deal right there.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
That's not just for looks.
No man, no that thing.
Yeah.
In the long run, it picks up some speed.
Oh yeah. I bet you get a lot of looks with this thing too.
Yeah, man. I don't take it out that much.
Right.
I'm always working.
Yeah, I know. This guy does some great paint work, everybody, too. And painting is is what you do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got to be painted about 2 months now. I got to be painted.
Yeah.
Got the wind put in the back. Then got the friend of mine automated the rims. Got a good deal on them.
Yeah.
I got 20s in the back, 10.5 inch. 18 in the front, 8.5 inch. Staggered.
Okay, so 20s in the back, 18s in the front. Of course, wider in the rear than in the front.
The rear is about 11 inches wide, and the front is what's
8.5. There we go. Man, yeah, that's fun. Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
I will still get a burnout.
Yeah, man.
It's coming out of drive.
Right. I bet it'll just keep on going.
Yeah. I went to the Green Pond a couple months ago, and on the
Oh, starting to kind of lift up?
Kind of swerving in the front, yeah. Yeah.
Man, this is cool. 87 Vette. I love the rear end. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's got plenty. Yes, the AC still blows cold. All that good stuff.
The only thing I got to do to the AC is go to the EFI,
right,
and connect the trigger wire to the control, like that. The engine will rise by itself.
Yeah.
Once the air conditioning comes on.
Right.
Oh man, the police over there.
Yeah, they are, but you good. Yeah, just roll it right up here. I'm gonna get some shots of the outside.
Listen, buddy. Take it easy, man.
You just bringing them back out?
Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah.
So the sniper system, does this help with tuning the car and all?
Yes.
Okay.
This is dual.
That's a tuner.
Do all the.
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy?
All right.
Yeah, I could do all the timing. The adjusted the carburetor, the idle, the cold start,
all that.
The radiator, the 2 fans that comes on and off. I got everything on it. See?
Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. So you can set it up just the way you want it to. Daily driving or racing, whatever. Yeah.
Okay. So you got all the dash engine you want to put on it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Let's walk out and take a look at the outside.
Huh?
You get my text?
Yeah. I just got it.
Oh wow, look at that. So that's the sniper right there. Now he's put a lot of money into this engine. It's got, you know, that's really cool. Holley Sniper EFI. And the carbon fiber right there. And you know, obviously got a cam on it. You can hear it just chopping away. Yeah. Hey, your lights don't cut on. It's sweet. Yeah, 1987. I like it. Got the slotted and drilled rotors. So you got two 2540 ZR18s in the front. And then you got your 275/30 ZR20 in the rear. Yeah, this is kind of stuff I like. It gets people's attention. It's noisy. It makes a lot of rumble, and it definitely has got the look. You know, that blue is really cool. You know, some people are more into just the stock Corvette, which is great, and then other folks like to hook them up and have a little give it a little attitude. So you know, that's what's really, I think, always fun about the automotive industry. And just sports cars. It's just, you can do what you want to do to personalize your vehicle and make it exactly how you like to make it. And it just stands out a little bit more from the rest of the cars going up and down the highways. So this is the rear end, and a lot of y'all know this already, but this is that 80s rear end, late 80s, that just kind of cuts like that, right? Very similar front as the 92 over here and the 1990 ZR1. Very similar. Now we noticed on our ZR1 across the street, the body line goes around, and then see that body line? And then look at this, the body line extends right on through the whole front. Now, he had his painted to match, but the ZR1 across the street, same type of body line, right? But then what makes that ZR1 a little bit special is it has the rear of like this over here. Cool, thank you, man.
All right, thank you,
appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I'll get a shot of you rolling out.
All right.
Yeah. And then like this has got the more rounded off rear, but the ZR1 then is not like this, it's flat like that. There it goes. Looking good. And that's what's so exciting about working here at Southern Motor Company and buying a car from us, and you know, coming by, hanging out a little bit. It's the community, it's the brotherlyhood of and womanlyhood, as some would say, but you know, it's the brotherlyhood of being an automotive person that just loves cars, buying cool cars, you know, hanging out, you know, bringing your car by, letting us see it after you got done working on it. Let's say you bought a car from us and you started doing some work to it, bring it by. So yeah, I think some of y'all can understand what I'm saying. Bring your car by, let us check it out. We'd love to go out and do a little video with you. And anyways, thanks for everybody watching us right here on YouTube. We do appreciate all of our viewers, and we love being a part of the community, and it's so much fun every day. So thanks again. Have a great day. Man, I tell you, it really feels American getting to ride behind the wheels of a Vette like that. That's really neat. Anyways, thanks again. We'll see all of you real soon. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. Check us out. Go on TikTok, type in Southern. Okay, on TikTok, if you want to watch some fun shorts, type in Southern Car Salesman. That's me. Southern Motor Company, Southern Car Salesman. And then on YouTube, of course, you can check out the SMC channel, which is just type in Southern Motor Company. And of course, right here on CCV, Charleston Car Videos, a little bit of everything. So thanks again. Have a great day. We'll see you all real soon.